Okay, in this example, we're going to take a look at how to do the second part, combine and case. The first thing I want to demonstrate down here is we have a word, O and Claire, and we see Claire is lowercase, but it's fixed here. That was done by using the proper function. So if we go into this cell, look at the formula, we can see up here it says proper G26. What's in G26? Well, here's 26. Here's G, the word Claire, lowercase. So proper changes the case. If I change this to something, well, I should use lowercase, lower, you see, it's just put there. So that takes care of that as far as that function. And the next thing we'll look at is how do you combine that? How did O and lower get here? Well, that's done by using the CONCAT or concatenate function with proper. So if we look into this equation, we see we've done both concatenate, and from the first video they've switched using concatenate or concat. Either work right now, and then proper. So if we look at the entire name, based on this, you should have an idea what we're going to need to do. We're going to say, well, we want the entire name, so we'll go equals concat or concatenate. Then we're going to say we want the first name. We're going to add a comma, a space, a quote, a space. That gets that space we expect. But then here, we're not going to put the text yet. We're going to type proper. We can select it here if you like, double click, then go to this cell, which happens to be B2, close our parenthesis for the proper, now close the parenthesis for the concatenate. Boom, there it's done. As you know, we can simply fill that down and we're done. So I'm going to leave last name, first name. It's very similar, but the order of concatenating is different. So that covers how to do number 2, combine and case.